and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log out in Exodus wallet from your MacBook or any other desktop. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Exodus wallet app from your desktop or the MacBook you're using. So once you have tapped open the app from your launchpad, you will be ending up in this kind of interface where you need to now unlock your wallet by typing in your password. So once you have typed in the password, there is no appropriate option to hit the logout option. However, if you tap on the red button which has a cross sign in it, you will be able to get out of your Exodus wallet, and to re-enter into your Exodus wallet, you need to tap it again and type in the unlock password pin code to get to the continue option. So in this way you can use it as a logout option. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.